Welcome to the mini loader build. Haven't done this a while, so well, on the board there's only one thing to do. It's the hood, so, or the bonnet, wherever you're located. So planning on doing a plexiglass bonnet, so it would look cool. And I just happened to have a piece that could fit over here. So the other thing is, I think this is bending, so I'm gonna add a plate to both sides. Well, now that the loader is out the way, I have much better access to this area. Okay, so I'm gonna get the plastic that I will make the hood of. Okay. So, why does this fit too well? Okay, it's meant to be here. If I could bend this up at the back, I could attach it to this, maybe? I haven't done any plexi bending successfully, so I hope I can just heat it up. I'm not sure how it will be done evenly, but I'm gonna try. First bend went quite successfully. There are bubbles, but I don't care about the bubbles. So now I need to make a relief cut for this steering shaft column, and also I need to make a cutout for this part so I can attach it to this bar. Okay, the next test is if I can router the thing. I need to bend this end down because it's hitting the angle iron over here. Thing fits almost. Couple tweaks. I need to add some fasteners to the back so I can. But I think it will be just awesome. I got myself a rivet nut tool. Got this kit for about 39 bucks, something like that. So M6 gets a 9mm hole. That would be really easy to do with a gun, I suppose, but since I don't have one, I have to drill my holes. to make a thread over here by pressing this, and then it's done. Have 2 threads. I love this kit. And it goes from M5 to 12. I'll lift the thing in place and then try to get the holes marked out or drilled even. Fuck! And now it's brittle. Come on! Not fair. Okay, let's try to bend it from that line. So I tried it on and tank was in the way instantly, so this needs to be relocated. I'm gonna make a bend over here. I attach this metal bar with the clamps, and I'm gonna heat up the strip right on the machine. I think the pocket system for the front is the best, so I'm just gonna make a holder for the glass over here, weld it in place, put some limiters. Found some sticks. I'm gonna polish them up a bit, and then these will be the stoppers. Another set from the other parts car, and it has the attachment plate that I'm gonna trim a lot and then attach a angle iron or something to it and weld that to the frame. and then I can install this power steering tank where I want and out of the way of the hood. Just tack the tank on, and of course forgot to press the record button, so this is the location for it. It sits right on top of the diff. I'm gonna remove the tank and fully weld this seam and that onto the frame. I'm tidying up the hoses with a zip tie. And then we can do the test fit of the hood. Put some rubber cushioning around both sides, so hopefully it won't break the glass to vibrations. Install the expansion tank. But otherwise I think it'll keep away the rain and looks nice. So I want to add a bar over here all the way across to reinforce it. I think this thick plate is bending due to the heavy loads, and I hope it will make it more rigid. Just drilling the hole for the pin lock. The plate mounted, as you can see, quite spot on. So now I'm gonna mark it, clean it up,